Hey guys, welcome back. Today I'm in New York. And guess where we're going? Yep, the Statue of Liberty. New York is never quiet. Even Lego traffic has attitude. Waiting for the bus feels the same everywhere. Doesn't matter if you're Lego or not. All right, we're on board. Cheap ride, but $1 million view coming up. Travel tip, always find a window seat and pray there's no crying baby. This city feels alive, like it's breathing. Look at those skyscrapers. Only in New York do you find someone eating a footlong at 9 in the morning. Okay guys, time to meet the legend. Tourists everywhere. But hey, I'm one of them too. Travel fuel. You can't see liberty on an empty stomach. Food plus freedom. Best combo ever. There she is, tall, strong, silent. A gift from France, a symbol of hope, freedom, and a promise that tomorrow can be better. Freedom is not just standing tall, it's carrying the weight of responsibility so others can stand too. Even a little Lego can feel it. From up here, you realize how small we are and how big our dreams can be. That's it, guys. Statue of Liberty checked off the list. See you at the next stop of my Lego World Tour. Freedom is fragile, but when built together, it can last forever.